Hey everyone, welcome to Modern Health Vibes today. We're diving headfirst into the world of deliciousness and health with our ultimate guide to detox and slimming smoothies. Get ready to nourish your body from the inside out with 5 powerful and unbelievably tasty recipes. These smoothies are designed to boost your metabolism. We're talking about firing up that fat-burning engine and give your body a natural cleanse. So if you're ready to feel amazing, hit that play button because we're about to break down each recipe step by step. Let's get blending. All right, let's kickstart our day with the green detox smoothie. First up, grab a big handful of fresh spinach. Don't worry, we'll make it taste amazing, I promise. Next, we're adding a handful of kale because we're going for maximum green goodness. Now, for a touch of natural sweetness and a boost of fiber, let's toss in a diced green apple. And to top it off, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. All right, now for the fun part. Pour in your liquid of choice. I like to use unsweetened almond milk for a creamy texture, and blend until it's completely smooth and vibrant green. And there you have it, a refreshing and revitalizing green detox smoothie to kickstart your day. Next, get ready for a flavor explosion with the Berry Blast Smoothie. This one's packed with antioxidants, those little powerhouses that help fight off bad stuff in your body. We're talking a cup of vibrant, juicy strawberries and a cup of plump blueberries. Now, for that creamy goodness and a dose of healthy fats, let's add a splash of almond milk. Again, feel free to adjust the amount to your liking. Now, blend it all up until you have a gorgeous deep purple smoothie that's practically begging to be sipped on. Trust me, this one tastes as good as it looks. Tropical Cleanse Smoothie, your taste of paradise. Let's whisk ourselves away to a tropical paradise with this next recipe, the Tropical Cleanse Smoothie. We're using 1 cup of chopped pineapple, because who doesn't love a taste of the tropics? And 1 cup of frozen mango chunks for extra creaminess. Now, for the ultimate hydration boost and that subtle sweetness, let's pour in some coconut water. All right, are you ready to be transported to a beachside oasis? Blend it all up until smooth and get ready to be amazed by the taste of pure sunshine. Citrus Ginger Smoothie. Ready for a burst of flavor that will awaken your senses? The Citrus Ginger Smoothie is here to invigorate. We're starting with 1 peeled and segmented orange. Make sure to remove those seeds. And 1 grapefruit, peeled and segmented as well. Now, for that signature zing and a boost of anti-inflammatory goodness, let's add a small knob of fresh ginger. Remember, you can adjust the amount of ginger to your liking. Add your liquid of choice, water or coconut water work great, and blend until smooth and tangy. Next, Protein Power Smoothie. Last but not least, let's whip up the Protein Power Smoothie, perfect for a post-workout boost or a satisfying snack. We're starting with 1 ripe banana, the riper, the sweeter, and then adding a good dollop of plain Greek yogurt for that protein punch and creamy texture. Now, for an extra boost of protein, let's scoop in your favorite protein powder. I like to use vanilla or chocolate for a touch of flavor. And to finish it off, add your liquid of choice. Almond milk, coconut water, or even just water will do the trick. Blend it all up until you have a thick, creamy, and protein-packed smoothie that will keep you feeling full and energized. And there you have it. 5 incredibly delicious and easy smoothie recipes to boost your metabolism, cleanse your body, and leave you feeling absolutely fit and slim. Which of these recipes do you love the most? Let me know in the comments below. And hit the like and share button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipe. For all the details on perfect weight loss smoothies, click the link below.